Hello and welcome to Next Tech Genius. Here we dive into the latest advancement in digital technology and programming techniques to help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your programming journey or a seasoned professional seeking to expand your skills, this channel is for you. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss a video. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide your desktop icons on Windows 11. So here you can see I've got a lot of icons on my desktop. So for any reason I want to minimize distraction, so all I need to do is I'll take my mouse down here. So here you can see an option to create a new desktop. You can choose to create any number of desktop, or you can simply right click on the currently open desktop or just create a new one. So here you can see my first desktop and then you can see the second desktop. So now to hide these icons, I'll right click on my desktop and then I'll go to view, and then you can see that the show desktop icon is ticked, is selected. So if I click on this, and you can see the desktop icon is hidden, and the changes will definitely apply to all your desktop. So you can see that. So if I want to unhide it, I will equally go to view and then show desktop icons. So here we got it. So this is how to hide and unhide desktop icons on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on digital technology and programming skills. Stay curious, and I will see you in the next video.